You know equities is important and you know it has to be a part of your portfolio, but you're too scared to dabble in it yourself, and you're sick of mutual funds. You want to know what else there is out there that can help you take part in equities. Watch this video to know more. Today we are going to talk about listed equities. What are listed equities? Equities that are available for you to trade on the stock exchange, like the Bombay Stock Exchange or the National Stock Exchange. So what are the various ways in which you can invest into listed equities? The number one is, of course, you buy and sell shares yourself. What do you need for that? You need a demat account, you need a trading account, and you need to link your trading account to a bank account. What is a demat account? Think of it like a bank account, right? In your bank account, your money lies. In your demat account, your shares will lie. You need a trading account which is linked to your demat account so that you can buy and sell. It enables you to buy and sell on the stock exchange. And then, of course, you need a bank account linked to the trading account so that you can fund the trading account, or if there's money that comes into the trading account, it can come back into your bank account. So that's number one. Who can you open these trading and demat accounts? With any broker. Kotak Securities, ICICI Securities. There is one very low cost brokerage outfit which is making a lot of noise nowadays, Zerodha, I think. Then you need to be careful that they don't charge you a high brokerage when you're just going in for these brokerage accounts, trading accounts. So now let's say that you're okay buying and selling shares yourself, but you're scared, you haven't done the homework on those shares, and you want somebody to advise you. So then what you do is you get an equity advisor on board who will advise you what to buy and sell. Now there is a recent SEBI circular which does not allow your broker to also act as your advisor. So this equity advisor will be outside of your broking outfit. They will provide you the equity advisory and in charge take a little fee from you. Then number two is, of course, mutual funds, equity mutual funds. So there is the traditional large, mid, small caps, then the amalgamations of them, large and mid cap, multi-cap, sectoral funds, thematic funds, value-oriented funds. And as if that wasn't enough, SEBI recently introduced flexi-cap funds. So it's a confusing atmosphere out there, but Money Control, Value Research, these are a few websites that can help you decode some of it. But my strict advice to you would be just don't go by those 5 stars and 4 stars. You'll have to research a little bit more into equity mutual funds. Then you come to the third avenue, or maybe the fourth if I consider equity advisory as the second. The fourth avenue is, and if you're Miss Moneybags, that's the one which works for you, may work for you. It's a portfolio management service. The minimum in a PMS is 50 lakhs. PMSs again of various kinds. Some are focused, some are large cap, some are multi-cap. There are 2 kinds of PMSs, broadly speaking, discretionary and non-discretionary. So discretionary means it's at the discretion of the fund manager. He is free to take whatever calls he wants to in terms of buying and selling stocks. In a non-discretionary PMS, you say, hey, I'll give you the authority to guide me. I'm putting my money in your capable hands of fund management, but the final say of buying and selling will be mine. So a non-discretionary PMS works very well for situations like, let's say you're an IT employee and you've got a lot of stock options and you don't want your particular PMS to be overloaded on IT stocks and you want it outside of IT stocks. So a non-discretionary PMS will work for you. And then, of course, there is alternative investment fund, the AIF, which is a crore and above. So these are the various ways in which you can invest in equities. Now, what we've done in this video is just covered listed equities. You must know that there is an unlisted space as well out there, which constitutes of venture capitalists, angel investors, private equity. You can be one of those as well. So you'll have to watch the next video to figure out if you could probably take a play in unlisted equities. For that, good night. Have a nice evening. Bye.